Hi, George Petersen here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Luke Combs' World Tour. This country superstar is on the road, filling stadiums coast to coast and beyond. We go behind the scenes to check out all the details. The Orlando show returns, and we present the hottest new sound reinforcement products unveiled at INFOCOMM 2023, including our picks for the show's coolest swag. Having supported Napa's premier festival for 10 years since its inception, Delicate Productions' Jason Alt talks about changes over time, both to the event and to the production company itself. Feel the beat, turn it up, get down, and get ready to party as we look into some recent club installation projects that take live sound to the next level. This 87-year-old Art Deco Colorado historic landmark upgrades to an L-Acoustics K3 rig from Clearwing Systems. This former opera house gets an audio makeover with a new D&B Audio-Technica KSL system from Spectrum Sound. This corn-fed country musical features some of the hottest names on Broadway in Nashville. We talk with the show's award-winning sound designer, John Shivers. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on battery-powered PA systems. Ever do a gig where AC power was unavailable or far away? Or you needed a fill speaker by the parking lot? We check out some high-power, portable solutions. QSC'S new LA108 and LA112 compact line arrays are easy to deploy and scalable for applications ranging from portable setup-and-go gigs to advanced network AV productions. Steve Savano puts them to the test. Can you be replaced by a computer? Baker Lee looks into the not-too-distant future where artificial intelligence may be making all your mix decisions for you. Could it happen? Open the pod bay doors, Hal.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.